Mass Academy. We are studying here measurement of central tendency. After understanding mean, median, mode, we will understand basic concept of measurement of central tendency. How to find the central point of these data. There are three main tools: mean, median, and mode. They are very much common in almost all field of study, whether that is mathematics, statistics itself, and other area, biostatistics maybe, and many more, business. Actually, how to calculate mean? Very easy to calculate mean. We are studying first of all mean, number one, and that is mean is equal to sum of data divided by number of data. It means in numerator we sum the data, whatever data we have. In denominator we will count the data and write how many data there are. Also mean can be denoted by x bar, and we can write sum of x over n. And remember, this symbol is called sigma. We write like it is sleeping m, sigma, or it is used for sum of. We use this symbol, and whenever we write it with x, we read it sum of x. If we write it with y, we can read it sum of y. The variable we sum, we will use this symbol. It is mostly used for sum. Further, we can write mean is equal to the symbol we identify or denoted, that is x bar. Right now we are doing what? We are adding the data, the observation, the number we have: 12 plus 8 plus 13 plus 16 plus 14, 7, 13, 17, 7, 13, 12 till last, whatever the data we have. And after counting the data, we can observe that there are 11 observation or 11 data. That's why we divide it by 11. Now we are going to add the data. Mean is equal to, we have already added the data. Their sum is 132 divided by 11. Now we can use calculator. 132 divided by 11, see, answer comes what? 12. This is mean, and this is the central value of these data. That's why it is called measurement of central tendency. Hence our mean is 12. This is mean. Now we are going to calculate median. Remember, median definition is like this: median is the middle value of an ordered set of data. Now here ordered mean data can be written in ascending or descending order. That is called order data. Now the data we have, first of all we are going to write these data in ascending order, because it is easy for us to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. That's why we can see the smallest number we have right now, 7, 7 number we have. After 7 we can see 8 is there, and further we are searching the number after 8, it comes, that is 12. So we are writing 12s, and remember, further we see another 12 is also there, and similarly the same way we are going further, that is 13 is there. After 13 we can see 17s. 13s actually came 3 times, that's why we are writing 13 price. After that 16 number is there, 14 is there, then 16, and in the last 17. If we see here median, then median is the middle value of an ordered set of data. Middle mean exactly middle. Right now there are 11 data, then what can be the middle number of 11? If we distribute the data, then 5 data we will select from left side, 5 data from right side, then whatever left in the middle, that is called median. Remember, when our data are odd, it means number of data right now they are 11. 11 is odd number, then this is the method, this is the way, this is the procedure to find median. But if data are even, then another procedure will be. Actually, median is equal to n plus 1 divided by truth observation. Truth, I'm saying th sound. Obs means observation. Th sound here, th we put here, you know why? Because it shows ordinal. Whatever the numbers comes here, that will be ordinal. Ordinal number, we know the number first, second, ordinal number we call them, because we will be counting them like this: first, second, third, fourth. We will give the position, we will write position of the number. After that, we know n means here number of data or number sample size. We can say n plus 1, it means 11 plus 1 divided by 2. This is formula, because we'll divide the data to 2 equal parts, and we know here n is 11. 11 plus 1, it comes 12. 12 divided by 2, 2 table can catch 12 6 times. So sixth observation is our median. Now we will be start counting the numbers from left side, that is 7, 7, 8, 12, and mean first, second, similarly third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth number is coming 13. Therefore, we can write median is equal to 13. In whatever the position comes, we will be finding that number, and that number right now, that is 13. That's why 13 is our median. Very easy to calculate median. See the formula. Last tool, that is we are going to find central point, that is mode. This is also called model. Model, that is patient like this. We use maximum time, that thing, that is called model or mode. See the definition, very easy definition we've written here. Mode is the value which is repeated maximum times. That number, that observation, that value, that data which is repeated maximum time, which is coming maximum time in the data, that is our mode. Very easy to calculate. It means the easiest tool to find central tendency, that is mode for ungrouped data. Right now we can see 13 is coming 3 times. That's why 13 is our mode. Therefore, mode is equal to 13. And remember, we will write first of all that is 13 is repeated maximum times. Maximum times. Therefore, mode is equal to 13. 13 became our mode because it is repeated maximum time. See how they are easy and interesting tools of statistics.